Want to use a Betmgm promo code? This is a clear 60-second walkthrough. Open the Betmgm app or go to betmgm.com on your desktop and sign in. On the app home screen, tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. On desktop, click your account name in the top right corner to open settings. Choose My Account, then open Promotions or the Bonus Center to continue. Find the field labeled Enter Promo Code. Tap it to bring up the keyboard. Carefully type or paste your promo code exactly as it was given to you. Remove any extra spaces, then press Apply or Redeem to submit the code. You'll see a success message and updated bonus details on the screen. If the code fails, verify eligibility, expiration, or update the app first. For problems, contact Betmgm support through the app chat or help center. Ready to claim your offer? Enter the code now and tap Redeem to get started.